what can Power Query do for everybody out there? Of course, we can combine and transform data. We can mash up data to meet reporting goals. There's so much that can be done through the GUI, but the key is being able to write Power Query M. My advice is to not be afraid of the advanced editor. It's worth your salt to just create a sandbox file and mess with the advanced editor with data and just play with some functions, learn how to edit the advanced editor. Don't be afraid to copy and paste some code in the advanced editor and edit it in the text editor of your choice. But the IntelliSense in advanced editor actually works now. I was doing this when the IntelliSense didn't work, and I was just kind of shooting in the dark. But all of this is to say that a form of functional programming is possible. And functions in Power Query, they can do many things. All the way from niche transformations and assignments to meet requirements to basic functions to speed up your development start. And what I mean by this is, basic functions to speed up development start. That's our date function that we have here at Iron Edge that, we basically copy and paste it the moment we start building a report and bringing in data, because, it's a separate thing entirely, but we always recommend having a date dimension. And when I talk about niche transformations and assignments to meet requirements, there are times like the function I'm going to show you about max values, and there are times where you need to use Power Query to parameterize actual requests. And the way to do that is through functions in Power BI. A lot of people will just call it parameterized queries, but effectively, if you've ever built a parameterized query, you're on your way to building a function in Power BI. You're already using variables and parameters and creating your Power Query M code. Just take it one step further and have it do something before you return the data set. And so the last thing is functions in Power Query. They can accomplish something you'd rather do in DAX, but you can't.